In that video, I want to show you how the Clean Coder AI can autonomously create the whole blog page. Looking like that. My personal blog with main page with photo and descriptions, with article page and some articles inside. Okay, so let's start with Python manager.py, the manager feature of a Clean Coder, which will work with our Todoist. We'll be able to create here different epics and tasks. For now, for beginning, let's describe him the project we want to create. I can type something here, but I prefer to use microphone as it will be just faster. Create my personal blog in the Next.js. The blog should contain main page and the page with articles. Also should have a top strip on top, which should have a buttons pointing to main page and to the articles page. Okay, we can see that Clean Coder transcribed that page, and we can see that he started creating an epics here. He making research of our application, and now Clean Coder proposed to create a new task about developing header components, so let's accept it, and we can see the task being created here. Okay, very good. Update my page content, okay. We can see task being appeared here. Now he wants to create an articles page. Okay, let's accept it. Articles page is created and he wants to finish it, but I also will propose him to create the separate task for a single article. We also need page for the article itself, where we can read the article. Add the task also to article page development epic. Create article page, very good. So we have task for the page with articles and the task for the article itself. And now Clean Coder finished the planning and we can accept it and start executing actually our plan. Clean Coder will take the first task from the top of the list and executing it, making first of all a research of our file system, choosing appropriate files for that. Files are chosen, let's accept that list, and next it writes a plan about what changes it actually wants to implement. We have some plan created, analyze it really carefully and ensure you really understand what you want to do here, because if you don't understand, it will be really painful to debug your application later. Okay, if you want to add some articles here, please put here only my photo, few writings in the middle, and also remove all default Next.js components. Okay, we have corrected plan that looking much more better. That's how the updated page text it should look like. So let's accept it and let's go execute that plan. Now executor agent starting its work and proposes changes into our files. So he wants to remove all the file from line 1 to line 101 and wants to replace it with some with photo, with some welcome to my personal blog, and some text here. Let's accept it and we can see that our file being changed and as well as my application. Wow, looking very nice. We have my photo here, we have welcoming writing and some additional writing here. I'm excited to share my thought and experience with you. Stay tuned for more updates. Cool. Executor states that he done the job and I can confirm that yes, he done it. And manager asking us to provide the feedback about how well it been done. I will just write it's done. And now it's calling finish planning again. We can see also that main page task been executed and been automatically marked as done, so it not anymore here. And now we can continue to execute the next task, create an articles page. Okay, again our application starting to making research. We have a plan about create article page. Okay, he proposing to create new file app.articles.tsx. He created that page. Let's see there. Page.tsx created. Okay, let's go to pass articles. And we have some articles here. Let's ask him to center the articles. Wow, our articles are centered now. Also, let's ask him to make it more pretty. Oh, now it's really looking much better. Amazing. Job done well. Another task been done. Now we'll proceed with the create article detail page. Let's hit OK. You have a plan about the article detail page, but I want articles to be placed in separate JSON. Place articles in separate JSON. We have a plan, so let's proceed with it. Cool, let's check it out. Let's go to article number 1 and we have an error, which we will be repairing now. Let's provide him with an error. And he proposes some solution. Okay, let's see that. Haram! And we have here our article. Amazing! Very good. After that, he proposed additional button to have back to articles button and have also article number 2 here. Very good. So last thing we need to do is to add here a top strip to switch between main page and the article page. We can see our task mark as done and we can proceed to the next one. He deleted an epic. Okay, we have a plan. He proposed to create an header component and also modify the layout. So let's see that. Okay, we have our header with home and articles pages here, and this is actually works. Buttons in the header placed far away one from another. Place them close to each other. Maybe it will work. Whoa, okay, amazing. And we have home button and articles button as well here. Cool. Make header look more prettier. Okay, now it's looking much more cool. And now we have our application done. Let's finish our last task. Cool, task is closed, our Todoist is clean, and our application is created. It has main page, very nice looking article page, and we can enter every articles and read it. Nice. Feel free to use CleanCoder to write your own applications. You can find the link to its GitHub in the description. And if you found that video useful, please leave a, yes, you know, like. That's also, but most importantly, please leave a star on the GitHub of the project. It will really motivate me to introduce new, amazing features, amazing tools, make the framework better for you. Thank you.